Today, we are going to review the best and smartest video editing tool that is available in the market called Invideo. Invideo is the easiest video editing software on the market due to its intuitive interface suitable for beginners as well as amateurs. If you wish to create a great video with the least effort and time, you can access the Invideo from any desktop device. Simply log in with your credentials and start using thousands of built-in templates and all editing tools. A free account gives you access to all the editing tools, but still keeps a watermark on all your videos. You can upgrade to either a professional or a business subscription plan to remove the watermark and get access to more than thousands templates and premium media, and also extend the maximum video length from 10 to 15 minutes. Check out our link in the video description for InVideo to participate in our exclusive giveaway campaign. Have you always wanted to make a compelling product video that your audience will fall in love with? Today we'll show you how you can create the thumb-stopping videos within minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. So your first step is sign up, and you'll immediately have access to more than thousands of stunning templates you can use. To hit the ground running, you can use our article to video templates to turn your blog post into stunning videos. Or if you are a pro who likes to start with a clean slate, you just switch to our start from scratch mode. Now let's say you have an online store for super stylish sunglasses. Let's use the search bar to find a template that's perfect for your product. Here's one that's very sleek and stylish, a perfect fit for what you are offering. The best part it is that it's always available across YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram story sizes. So you can duplicate your ad to best fit all three formats within seconds. Now that you have locked your template, let's get to exploring the world's easiest video editor. The designer has done all the heavy lifting for you, so that all you've really got to do is to add your own text and find the right media from the inbuilt library of more than 1 million royalty images and video clips, or upload your own even and drop them into your scenes. Add your finishing touches with the advanced timeline and you are good to go. Last but not the least, you'd want to add your brand logo with a simple drag and drop, and change the colors to your brand colors by simply changing the project colors in the edit section on the right panel. Now that you have a video that's made for your brand from the ground up, click on preview and export to watch a preview of your video from start to finish that looks perfect. Let's now hit the export button and your video should be ready in matters of minutes. It's ready to go now. Download the video and show the world what they are missing out on. Happy video making! A professional promo video is one of the most effective ways for you to capture your audience's attention, and we will show you how you can create a stunning promo video in under 15 minutes with InVideo, even if you have never edited a video before. Your first step, sign up for an account on InVideo, and you'll immediately have access to more than thousands of stunning templates, and you can use it to hit the ground running. If you already have a script in place, you can also use our article to video templates to bring it to life. Let's say you own a gym and looking to create a promo video for it. We will use the search bar to find a template that just feels right. Let's start with this one. It's high energy and the design style will work very well for our brand. Now that we have found the perfect template, let's get to exploring the world's easiest video editor. The designers at InVideo have done all the heavy lifting like we showed in the earlier video, so that all you really got to do is to add your own text and find the right media from the inbuilt library of more than 1 million royalty images and video clips. Or you can even upload your own and drop them onto your scenes. Once again, add your finishing touches with the advanced timeline, insert your logo and contact details, and you're good to go. Watch a preview of your video from start to finish. Let's hit export and your video should be ready in a matter of minutes. And once done, all you have to do is to download the video and share it to the world. Once you are logged into Invideo, the first thing you'll want to do is to select a template. As you can see, there are hundreds of video templates for you to choose from. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to choose this one. Next, I'll place the content of my video in the text field. The content for each scene will be placed on a new line to ensure that my video goes perfectly with my script. From here, Invideo auto creates a storyboard for me, and now all I'll have to do is to line up the images I'd like to use in each of the scenes. Invideo provides you with a library of millions of images and video clips that you can use in your video, or you can upload your own. Now, if I want to see what a particular scene looks like, I can just click on Quick Edit and Invideo will show me what it looks like. From here, I can trim the clip, add overlays, stickers, and change the placement of my words on the screen. Once I'm happy with the storyboard elements, I can then go ahead and add music to my video from the Invideo library available to me. I like this one, so I'll add it to my video. And finally, all that's left to do is to export my video and upload it to YouTube or whatever other video services you use. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked the Invideo tutorial, which really works fast and it is easy to use. Please leave your comments below. What did you like about this Invideo tutorial? And do refer to my link which I'll provide about Invideo in the description section below. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe, like, and provide your comments, and I will be back for sure next week on some exciting stuff on productivity, apps, as well as digital transformation. Have a great one.